hoping that the Prime Minister will agree with the CBI and me.
Imagine you're at Heathrow, as I happen to be, and my office said you better look in the Daily Mail, and I opened it and saw that. That's me, by the way, when I got divorced 10 years ago. And I just wonder, would a man have that kind of coverage?
I think that gender injustice is possibly the biggest injustice in the world if you're talking about a disadvantaged group. Not a minority, a group. But I think it may be the biggest, most systematic, deepest-seated prejudice / injustice in the world, and addressing it may also be the key to achieving all sorts of other positive changes in the world in relation to sustainable development and peace and prosperity, and on it goes. I think this is a glaring injustice, and I'm impatient for change.
There are many fewer women than men in public life, and as a result, their voices are not being heard as effectively as they should. As a woman and as a politician, I want to see a fair representation of women in decision-making positions, particularly in public appointments.